few days ago I posted this short. A lot of people suggested it might be the connector under the seat or the seat position sensor. So today we're going to find out if that's really the problem. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the battery. Always disconnect the battery when you're working on airbags because it's very dangerous. To disconnect the battery, first we need to remove the battery cover. Now that the battery cover is off, we need to disconnect the battery management sensor because the nut for the negative terminal is right below the connector. Now we'll take a 10mm wrench and let's loosen up the nut. Now that we have loosened it up, we can remove the negative terminal and tuck it away so it doesn't touch accidentally the battery. Now let's remove the seats. There are two bolts in the front and two in the back. Now that we have removed the bolts, we can disconnect the seat connector. Now let's take it out. Man, this thing is heavy. The first thing that I'm going to do after removing the seat is to test the seat position switch. Now we will touch the pins corresponding for it. Now the switch is on and it shows 0, which is good. Now when we push the seat back, let's see and measure it again. Now it should be between 100 and 400 ohms. And we have 105, which is on the lower threshold, but it's okay. Now that we have determined that the sensor is working properly, we will check just in case all the wiring to see if there are any issues. Here we have some unsticking of the tape. This I'll fix later. Yeah, in general the wire harness looks perfectly fine and I don't see any issues with it. So let's now check the connector for any issues. And honestly, I don't see anything out of the ordinary. The connector looks good and clean. Now let's inspect the connector going to the airbag ECU, and I don't see any issues with it. There are no damaged wires, so I think there was probably a bad connection or a dirty connector. I'm going to spray everything with contact cleaner, assemble the seat back, and let's see what will happen. Now I'm going to clean all the connectors with contact spray, just for good measure. Now let's put this heavy seat back where it belongs. Come on. It's in! Now that we have the seat back in, we can assemble the connector. Now let's bolt the seats back in. Now let's connect the battery and let's hope nothing explodes. Oh, I'm scared. I'm just messing with you. Let's assemble everything back together. Come on, get in. Now let's do a quick scan with the OBD scanner. And we still have the fault code, but now I'm going to clear all codes. Let's clear fault memory. And we are done. So far it's gone. Now I'm going to drive it for a couple of days to see if the airbag light comes back on. So it's been more than a couple of days and I can proudly say that the check airbag message has not come up again. Probably it was dirt or a loose connector that was causing the issue. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, and if you're into DIY repairs and cheap project cars, don't forget to subscribe to Balkan Car Adventures. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.